Hi, my name is Cody Cook, and I'm the instructor here at Swift Solutions for this Associate Certification Training Course for the SolidWorks CSWA, also known as the Certified Associate Exam. CSWA, among many exams offered through SolidWorks, is a great certificate to achieve. If you want to build up your resume, increase your networking window, and show off your SolidWorks knowledge, if you've answered yes to any of these questions, then this is the training course for you. Throughout this 12-chapter course, we'll be breaking down each element of the CSWA, beginning with sketching and modeling. We will work through the basic sketch tools, sketch relations, features, and more. From there, we're moving into assemblies where we'll work with standard mates and inserting new components. And after that, drawings, talking through each of their limitations and advantages. We're also including some tips and tricks to increase speed and efficiency. Saving time during these exam certifications will push you to the next level in modeling and assembling with less downtime. By the end of this course, you will be prepared to take the certification exam. We want you to go into the exam with the confidence that you'll get 100%, and we're here with you every step of the way. This course provides an easy shortcut to achieving that certificate, easier than Google searches and YouTube tutorials.